Hello, today I show you how to cook chicken legs in the microwave. Simply to cook them. It's not very tasty, but it's safe for eating. And you can put it in a recipe where it will become tasty. I put 3 chicken legs in there. It's fat from a previous cooking. When there is a special in the store, I buy a lot and I cook them all. Then I freeze the meat and I eat around the bones. That's the second one. So the first cooking will be about 14 minutes. Then I will cut it so that the juice get more inside and finish cooking close to the bones. That's the third. So 14 minutes, 44 seconds at 8. It has cooked 14 minutes, 44 seconds at 8, 80% of full intensity of a 1500 watt or 1200, I don't remember. So now I cut the legs so that the juice can go closer to the bone. As you see, it's not cooked close to the bone, it's still red. One is done. Again, it's red, close to the bone. Cutting it like that allows the juice to go in and to cook it. And the part that has been removed from the leg will cook as well. That's the third one. So now we'll cook it for 7 minutes and 77 at 8. Adjust if it needs more cooking, put it more power. Put it at 8 or at 10. I don't put it at 9 because it calls the magneton too often for nothing at 9. You either give it time to relax or you leave it at 10 full intensity. Never use 9. So now the juice will go in everywhere. 7 minutes 77 at 8. So the second cooking has been done. 7 minutes 77 seconds at 8. These are the forks and knife that I used mid cooking. I don't use them anymore. These are forks and knife that I use for cooked meat. As you see, it's well cooked. That's good pieces of meat that I will keep for the kids. Me myself, I eat around the bones. Around the bones is where it is less likely to be less cooked, but it's always cooked well enough. Sometimes I put a sweet and sour sauce before putting it in the freezer. It keeps it a little bit moist, so it lasts a little bit longer in the freezer. So this is it, how the chicken legs have been cooked, and they will go into recipes later. I freeze them in small quantity, in the quantity that I will use. Fillet 2/3 That is good enough for me alone. If I put more, I have too much.